I'm going to go ahead and build this Lego set with Santa and his reindeers. It's 343 pieces. It is set number 40499, and this is for a 9 and plus. So I'm going to go ahead and open this box and see what it all has in here. Now look at that. That's an interesting Lego piece. Well, that's considered 4 pieces, I guess. So we have 2 bag number 2s there. Book. And this is, so we have 2 bag number 1s, so we basically have 4 bags in here total. And we have some stickers. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look. you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you.
Onward, Dasher! Ho, ho, ho!
This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.